Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the new Truly Me doll number 126. If you'd like to see her out of the box and up close, keep watching this video. And I have already unboxed number 125, number 127, and number 128. I'll put the links to those videos in the description box below. If you haven't seen them but would like to, they're right there. Number 126 is a classic face mold, and in this release, American Girl released 2 classic molds and 3 Josefina molds. She's wearing the same tie-dye t-shirt dress as some earlier Truly Me's, and I'm not really crazy about this dress. It's definitely not the worst, but I do prefer the new purple plaid dress. This one, I don't know. I probably wouldn't have bought it if it was sold as a separate outfit. I believe currently she's the only American Girl doll with blue eyes and brown hair, and this is not an uncommon combination, so it's great that American Girl is trying to cover different looks for girls so they could choose a doll that looks exactly like them. And if you've never seen any of our earlier videos and not subscribed to our channel yet, I definitely recommend you do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Now let's talk a little bit about the classic mold. I recently gained a new appreciation of it. I used to think that it was kind of overrated, overused, and there's no denying that American Girl used it on a lot of historical characters. However, we cannot dismiss the fact that it's really, really cute and adorable. So this doll has a light skin tone, and it's not the lightest one that American Girl has. It's kind of like second lightest. She has these lips, and the teeth, I believe, are a little bit misprinted. Her eyes are dark blue, like Kit's eyes. And of course, she has painted eyelashes like all the other dolls right now. Here's the tie-dye dress. And here are the pink gladiator sandals. They're made out of faux leather, just like the previous Truly Me's. The outfit is literally identical to the previous Truly Me's. Now let's take off her hairnet. And she reminds me a bit of Truly Me number 115. They do share the same skin tone. It's number 5 skin tone, and their wig, look at it. I think it's the same one. Unfortunately, I don't have my 115 handy, so I can't really compare them side to side. But I think they share the same wig, as far as I remember. So it's this kind of medium brown hair color with a middle part and caramel highlights. It's very pretty in real life. Of course, the hair needs to be restyled, and it looks a little bit stringy, and the curls are kind of they could be improved. So this hairstyle is supposed to be wavy, but it really is loose curls, and I'm gonna try to separate some of them to make them look more natural, and I kind of can twist them around each other too to make them look more natural and give them a little bit more volume, because right now there isn't a lot of volume. This wig has a decent amount of hair. It just needs to be restyled, and I think overall it's really pretty. Let's take a look at the colors, at the highlights a little bit better. This definitely looks like number 115 to me. Overall, I think this is a really nice natural color that a lot of people have in real life, and a lot of little girls have the same color, so I think it's definitely a nice doll that is going to be a good seller for American Girl. So this is the back view of the wig. The curls are here. There are quite a few of them, but again, not a lot of volume. When I went to American Girl store, I wasn't sure which Truly Me dolls I was going to buy. I was definitely going to buy number 127, but 126 wasn't really on the radar. However, I did like her hair color. I liked how natural it was and how common it was. So I thought she would be a great addition to our collection. I probably won't be buying number 129 anytime soon because we do have number 88 and they are almost identical except for the painted eyelashes. But in the future I might change my mind, and who knows, I might buy number 129 too. And here I changed her hair up just a little bit. I played with it. I moved it to one side. I did not use any hair products or a hairbrush. And this is what she looks like. And I think this actually looks really flattering on her. I do like a slightly asymmetrical look just because she has a middle part. So there's already symmetry in the whole look. But here's a symmetrical look when she has hair on both of her sides. And I think she looks amazing here as well. Let me know in the comments if you purchased this doll or if you're planning to buy her. And I would also like to hear your opinion on the classic mold. As I already mentioned, I'm a big fan of the classic mold right now, and I wasn't before. I took a lot of pictures, and just look what a difference a slightly different hairstyle can make. This doll looks so good. I'm a little bit obsessed. I do need to pick a name for her. I'm ashamed to admit, but not all of our Truly Me's have names. But this one, I think she should have a name. She is definitely becoming one of my favorite Truly Me dolls at the moment. If you have any great name suggestions that you think would fit her, let me know in the comments. And I've made a public post today you can find in our community tab. I'm thinking about making monthly videos about things that adult collectors deal with. For example, how to deal with people who don't think doll collecting is a suitable hobby for adults, and other things. If you have any interesting topics for discussion, let me know in the comments. I will definitely consider them. And right now I'm trying to shoot for one video a month. Of course, I'll keep posting the regular videos like American Girl doll news, unboxings, crafts, etc. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time!